Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening images. Google.com. Once there, you move fast. Click the camera icon in the search bar or drag your file into the window. If you have a URL, paste it into the URL field. Make sure the image is clear and not heavily cropped. Better input improves matches. Once uploaded, Google immediately analyzes visual features like shapes, colors, and text. This first step starts the match process and narrows results to visually similar images and related web pages. Once results appear, you refine them. Click Visually Similar or choose all sizes to see more or fewer matches. This changes the algorithm's focus. Use tools to filter by size, color, image type, or time to eliminate noise. If text appears in the image, extract it with OCR or copy visible words and add them to the search. Make sure to inspect the linked pages for context and metadata that often reveal source date or higher resolution files for verification. Finally, you confirm the source by opening promising pages and checking context, captions, and timestamps. This helps verify authenticity. If results are poor, crop to the subject, try a different angle, or upload a higher resolution version and repeat. Small changes often trigger better matches. If you encounter privacy issues or misleading matches, remove EXIF metadata before uploading and retry. One key tip: when nothing matches, broaden filters first, then use alternative engines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.